everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, this delivery is in Blackburn Cathedral. If you haven't watched part 1, what we collected, go and have a look. That way we picked from Lichfield Cathedral. If you did look, we know what we're carrying. Yes. So, this delivery is in at the Cathedral in Blackburn. We pick up in the morning, we're leaving in the afternoon. It's, as I said on the previous video, it's one of the kind. Table doesn't exist. A second table like this one, nothing at all. If you want to know the history of this table, how it was made, the people all will have a link in the description. You can go have a look. How it was made, how long it took, and where it was found. I could have go through here because I know the story. I can go in here and tell everything, but I prefer you guys go have a look the history. And if you like to come and visit, it will be at Blackburn Cathedral. Just go inside the cathedral and have a look. I did see already when it's assembled. Did see already when it's not assembled, because it's at the back of the trailer. It's on a trailer at the moment. It comes in parts, so I've got 4 long bits and then the 2 bits on the bottom that goes on the bottom, so you'll see that on the trailer. Currently we are a mile and a half away from the cathedral. We are already in Blackburn. I'm coming into Blackburn the way I come to my jobs, that you guys saw it that I do in Blackburn. It was the easiest way to come in, this way. You guys will see me driving into the cathedral and then unloading. The guys will unload everything, all 6 parts, unstrap first because everything is strapped at the moment. Unstrap and go inside the cathedral, and then we're done in there completely. All my job will be done after that. My job is pick it up and deliver safely. I am pleased to be able to do this unique table. One of a kind. It's really one of a kind. I'm very pleased to do it. I am thankful for my workplace, the boss, my boss, to give me that responsibility to carry this table. So thank you, boss, for that. Right, so 5 minutes away, hopefully. A mile and a half. It shouldn't be 5 minutes away. We will see if we have eyes in the sky. At the moment, I do see that there is a helicopter in the air. So if that helicopter is still in the air, when I will be parked, I won't be able to do it because helicopter in the air, I don't want to mess up anything. That's dangerous for them. So we'll see what kind of footage we can have from Blackburn Cathedral. I couldn't film it a lot at Lichfield. There was a little bit restrictions. They were asking not to do certain things. Fair enough. So in here, there's going to be a lot of people. Apparently, what I heard already, is going to be a lot of people in there helping us unloading the table. So we'll see when we get there. I'm still see the helicopter still in the air. It's quite low, the helicopter at the moment. So we will see if we can. He's doing circles. I'm not sure if he's in the area we're going to be as well. I know I would have put the filming forward, but I don't think you guys would be able to see it. So at the moment he's in circles. I'm just trying to look. I'm trying to look at that, and then where are we going? Because normally we turn right here to go to one of our jobs, and now it's the first time I'm going straight ahead on this bit. And of course I need to concentrate what I am doing on, and of course trying to talk to you guys through the camera as well, so I don't miss my turns, anything. Yeah, let's just look at the Google map quickly. So by the looks like the helicopter is more focused on this area, and then we going more straight. He's more focused on the left than the right. But you never know. It's a helicopter. We won't be that high, but the helicopter is in circles. It's doing circles quite a lot. So on my footage, if you look, so if I got the footage showing a bit at the front, is more on the left of my camera. So we'll see. We will see how it goes in there. At Lichfield, I had a camera on my window, so it was filming a little bit. On this one, I will try have you on my head or in the chest, so you guys can see everything what's happening. So let's go the way, drive there. This might be a long one. I can't speed up these kind of videos at the moment because I can cut a few bits, can't speed up because it's different now. The way we record these videos is not just facing forward, it's facing me as well. So I did not want putting this fast thingy, it wouldn't be nice. It's just trying to see, because that I know up to here, but I can't see. You know, sometimes you can see a bit of the towers of the cathedrals, but I've got a lot of buildings in the way at the moment. Oh yes, I can see the cathedral already. Yes, the cathedral is right in front of me already. So, right, we know where it is. What I'll do, I don't know, will I make a phone call? Because we're going into areas that we don't know, so we have to be careful. Right, literally, that is, yeah, that's Amish. So the people jogging is Amish. They are taxi driver, why are you beeping at me? He's beeping at me for some, I don't know why is the reason. So they are waiting for me. So you can see I am. They're taking pictures already. So you can see a lot of people in here. Recording, just looking around, making sure there's ball lads everywhere, so yeah, we can turn around easily. And that is the cathedral. On the left, on the right, sorry, that is nice cathedral. So what I'll do, I'm just going to open a window. Is a nice.
Turn around in there.
Yes, I can. Oh yes, plenty.
Well, I think you just go up a little bit further.
Yeah.
What size the understructure on? That side, isn't it?
Yes, that side. Right, guys, we are here. What we'll do, we're going to. Right, I'll see you next time, yeah? Oh. Yeah. Right, we're done. Right, thank you, yeah?
Yeah, you're all right.
Yeah.
Done, yeah.
Yeah, good. See you next year. See ya. Thank you, see you later. Right guys, we are done. Hopefully you guys did love these footage. Blackburn Cathedral. I know it's a long video. So hopefully you did. I know it's not a lot of noise. You know, we're moving the table. I want to say to everyone helping in there, to thank you as well. Without a lot of that, guys, there was nothing. So thank you. And just close the window, it's better. So at the moment we leaving. I don't know where we're going now. I'll just have to phone the office and see what is the plan after now. Yes, see what's the plan, and then we go from there. So I want to say again, thanks for watching. this video. Please do tell a lot of people about this video, especially the last 2 videos. It's important. They're volunteering themselves for that table. So thank you. I will see you on the next video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, and if you want any of my stickers, don't forget to email me. It's on the job description. Sorry, it's on my channel description, and hopefully it's on the video description as well. So stay safe everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao ciao for now.